Hey, welcome to the first video of the All About Funnel series. And in this video, we are going to talk about what are the funnels, what are different types of funnels, and all the basic stuff. So if you are someone who is already well versed with funnels, you can skip this particular video and watch other videos of the series. So let us start with this first question. What are funnels? Now, in the simple terms, funnels are the stepwise guide for a user to take action. Now, the king of funnels, who is Russell Brunson, has given us a very awesome examples which let us understand what are exactly funnels. Now, let's say you're going for camping. Now, there would be different stuff which would be required for you to go on a camping. You would like a tent, you would like shoes, you would like lighter and all other stuff. Now, in the first case, let's say you go to a shop, or let us say you go to a shop wherein all these items are placed in front of you. There is a tent, there are knives, there are all the essential stuff, and there are 100 other stuff which are not required for camping are placed in front of you. Now you have to go and choose. You have to take your tent, you have to take lighter, you have to take shoes, you have to take this, you have to take a backpack and all this stuff. Now this is the first option. Or in the second option, you have a guide with you who tells you take this particular bag, then take this particular shoes, then take this tent, then again you will need some water bottles and this and that. So in these two scenarios, in the first case when all items are randomly placed in front of you, or in the second case you have a guide who is telling you to purchase this and that, what would be the more pleasurable experience for you? Of course it would be the second experience. Now this is the same thing which funnels do. Funnels give us a step-by-step guide to take actions or to buy. Now it is important to understand what is the importance of funnels, right? Is why funnels? First of all, again, users don't get confused, because where there is confusion, user won't take any decision and they will leave. Second, it increases the average cart value because we can sell more using a funnel. Now we are going to see a detailed example in the later part of this video which emphasizes on the average cart value. And again, there can be different funnels for different purposes. Now there is not a single funnel for different types of businesses or for different types of services. There are different types of funnels for different purposes. So the importance of funnels is very clear. Now let us clear the most asked question. What is the difference between a website and a funnel? First of all, a website does not sell, and a funnel is intended towards selling. So whenever you go on a website, the traditional old websites which tell us that they are established in 1950 and all those rubbish, now these websites are not selling. But whenever a user goes into funnel, he is being sold the moment he enters a funnel. Now in a website, again, there are a lot of options. In funnel, there is only one action at one time. Now in that case, whenever you go to a funnel, you're not going to be overwhelmed by different types of options. You are going to take only one action on one page. Now a website could be good for presence, that is, you could show people that you could build trust using the website, and a funnel is of course good for selling. But that does not mean that a website is bad and a funnel is good. A website is also essential and a funnel is also essential, but we have to make sure that we use the right one at the right place. Website can be good for presence and funnels could be good for selling. Now let us understand the different elements of funnel. So there are pre-sale pages. Now from the name itself, all these particular things are clear. Pre-sale is something which is selling the user before entering a page. Then comes an opt-in page, then comes a lead magnet page. Now there is this OTO, which is the one-time offer. So whenever any user purchases something from you, you offer him something more and tell him that this is going to be only a one-time offer. Just because you have made that particular purchase, we are giving you this particular offer. So that is called as one-time offer. Then comes the upselling part. Now whenever you purchase one t-shirt and you go to the final option, that is, let's say you go on a payment page, there you can see that you can buy one t-shirt for 200 rupees and 3 t-shirts for 450 rupees. Now this is upselling. You are upselling to that particular person. Then comes the downselling. Now downselling is not used that much, but downselling means whenever you have upsold a person and that person has sold a no, then you downsell to that particular person. And again, there are 100 different types of other elements which are involved in the funnel, but we'll take a look into the most essential ones. Now the most important part is of course upselling. Whenever you see most of the e-commerce businesses, they work on upselling, because in e-commerce upselling is really very important. But when it comes to service based businesses too, upselling can do wonders for you if used properly. Now let us understand how can we use a funnel. First of all, whenever we have made any funnel, there could be traffic coming from different sources to this one particular funnel. So we can make a single funnel and can have different sources of traffic, and then we can make users take a journey so that it is easy for them to make a purchase. Again, that is the basic definition of funnel, but we can use this particular funnel to make the buying decision really very easy. Now we'll take an example which will make you clear why exactly should we use a funnel for our business. So let us say that you are selling something, you are selling a how to make a pizza book. Okay, that's an ebook. Now let us say you are spending 50 rupees for one purchase on Facebook or Instagram, any the platform does not matter, but your cost per purchase is 50 rupees. Now in the page 1 you have the how to make a pizza book, and in the page 2 you have all the ingredients which are necessary to make a pizza. Okay, so now let us understand what are the differences before a funnel. So before a funnel we are selling only this particular ebook of how to make a pizza. So let's say we have 9 purchases, the ad spend would be 450 rupees and the sales would be 900 rupees, but the profit would be 450 rupees because we have already spent 450 rupees on ad spend. Now this is before a funnel, but when we implement a funnel, that is, first the user comes on the how to make a pizza page and then he goes on to the ingredients page. Now here again we are making 9 purchases, again we are spending 450 rupees, again we are selling 9 ebooks, but here comes the most interesting part. 1 in the 3 people are going to buy your ingredients too. Why? Because it is quite obvious. The person who is going to make a pizza is also going to require to take all those ingredients which are necessary to make a pizza, and if you are going to give him that particular thing just after he has bought this ebook, he'll be more than happy to take this particular stuff. Why? Because that's the most logical thing to sell to that particular person, and that is the importance of funnel. You are selling him the most required necessary thing. Of course he'll need ingredients when he's going to make pizza, and we are going to sell him those particular ingredients, and that's the magic of funnel. Now let us take a look into these numbers. Again, 1 in 3 people have bought the ingredients, so the cost of ingredients was 400 rupees, so the sales are total 1200, but the profit on ingredients is 200 rupees. So the total profit before funnel was just 450 rupees, but the total profit after the funnel is 1050 rupees. Now this is just a simple example. Now if we go on increasing the pages and if we go on strategically selling him all the different stuff, then he is going to buy more and the total profit can increase even more. So now let us take a look at the most used funnels. Now these are the lead magnet funnels, the webinar registration funnels, and the pre-sale funnels. Again, all the particular type of funnels are pretty much clear from their names, but that would be pretty much it from this video, because we have discussed about the basics of funnels, why funnels are required, how funnels increase profit, and all this stuff. Now in this particular next video, we are going to talk about a particular type of funnel, which is the lead magnet funnel, and in the upcoming videos we are going to talk about all these different types of funnels, where they are used and how to make use of them to increase your profit. Now that is pretty much it from this video. We hope that you got a lot of value. See you in the next one.